Hello student, welcome back in Krishna classes. Today's topic is concentration of a solution. This topic has taken from the chapter 2 of the class 9. So for the detailed knowledge of previous all topics of chapter 2, chapter 1 and chapter 8 also, you have to watch my all previous videos and playlist which is available on my channel Krishna classes. So let's start the today's topic. What is the concentration of solutions? What is the solution? I also described in my previous video what is the solutions, components of the solutions and properties of the solutions. So for the knowledge of that topic you can watch my previous videos. So let's start the today's topic, concentration of solution. What is the concentration of solution? It is the amount of solute present in a given amount, of solvent, that is called the concentration. It is the amount of solute present in the given amount of solvent or solution, that is called the concentration of solution. Okay, for example, if you have take the solutions of sugar and water, then you can understand this topic very easily. If you dissolve 1 teaspoon sugar in water, then this is the dilute solution is formed. If you dissolve more than 2-3 spoon of water, 2-3 spoon of sugar in water, then there is concentrated solution is formed. So dilute solution, concentrated solution, saturated solutions are that solution where limitation of dissolving the solute in the solvent is over. Okay, so what is the concentration of solution? Concentration of solutions is equal to amount of solute upon amount of solution. Okay, or you can say amount of solute upon amount of solvent also. This is the formula of concentration of solution is equal to amount of solute upon amount of solvent or amount of solutions. Okay, so what is the method of expressing concentration? What is the methods of expressing concentration? There are so many methods, but in your chapter, in your syllabus, only 2 methods have given. First is mass by mass percentage of solutions. What is the mass by mass percentage of solutions? When you have to use this formula, on that time there is mass of solute and mass of solutions have given. Okay, if mass of solute and mass of solutions have given, then you have to use this formula and multiply it by 100, then mass by mass percentage of a solution you know. Okay, next is mass by volume percentage of solution. If volume of solutions have given, then you have to use this formula, mass of solute upon volume of solution is into 100. So this is the today's class. What is the today's class? What we got in today's class? Concentration of solutions. Concentration of solution is equal to amount of solute upon amount of solutions or amount of solvent, both. Method of expressing concentration, there are 2 methods. First, mass by mass percentage of solutions, where mass of solute and mass of solution both are given. Second one is the when mass of solute have given and volume of solutions have given, then you have to use this formula. Okay, so thank you so much for the watching, and for the next topic and next classes you have to subscribe Krishna classes. My name is Surbhi. Thank you so much.